Guys, narito po yung vice ng games ng Amusement Board or GAP ng Cagayan de Oro City. Kasamaan nito yung Makati dito. Naging under inspection sa Square Circle Town Funds Boxing Gym. So right now, we can evaluate for all of the boxers and ask him and who is the last sparring partner of Jordan Toclao Atlao. So we are here to investigate all of what happened, the accident of Jordan Toclao Atlao. Then after this one, so the games and amusement board removed the Jordan Atlao in the East Medical Center, Butuan City. So samahan ko sila ngayon para makita nila yung situation ni Jordan Toclao Atlao na patuloy pa rin na lumalaban pag-recovery sa kanyang pagpagaling, patuloy na pagpapagaling. So yan, mamaya bigay natin yung update. May papakita po namin sa inyo na yung games and amusement board ay narito po. At ano po sila, concerned talaga sila sa nangyari ang pagkakalap sa Jordan Toclao. So we are happy, and the team of the Square Circle Town Funds Boxing Gym and all of the boxers here is happy. So the games and amusement board, niat to din conduct din pagbisita dito sa atong Square Circle Town Funds Boxing Gym. Conduct investigation, interview with the games and amusement board.
So, yung sparring nyo is life plan. Tapos, anong tawag kayo ng